Hi everybody, it's your good old buddy Brad here. Today I am going to tell you how to make a Menger sponge in JWildfire 3.0. So, for those who don't know, a Menger sponge is this. If you just Google Menger sponge on Google, you'll get a lot of ideas. But first, we're going to create the Sierpinski carpet. So we do a new from scratch, add linear, and we're going to set this first linear to 0.3, and we're going to do 7 threes. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 0.33333 7 times. And now we are going to duplicate this so we have 8 transforms. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to turn on the post transform button. We're going to come here and set this to 1. Go back up to our first transform. And we are going to go up 1, over 1. I'm going to change my gradient here so it's a little easier to see. We're going to come down here to the second transform. We're going to go over 1, down 1, down 1, down 1, over 1, over 1, over 1, up 1, then last go up 1. And that is how you make the Sierpinski carpet, which is like this. So now we're going to add the 3D portion of it. We click on the add button. And of course we keep all the linear 3Ds. Now we're going to click on the YZ plane. I'm going to set this to 1.5. This is set to 90. We're going to rotate it left counterclockwise by 90 degrees one time, like so. So now we're going to move this to the left 1.5. I'm going to move it down 1.5. And now we don't see anything, so we have to come down here to the camera tab. We're going to adjust the pitch. Make it up to about 30. Change the yaw of it. And then on transform 9 here, we're also going to set the weight to 10. Let's try 10.5. Now you can't really see it, so now we hit the 3D render button. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Do a quick render. Now here's where it actually takes a little bit more tweaking. So I'm going to Enable fast shadows. Going to move the shadow map size up to 3072. I'm going to increase the ambient to 1. I'm also going to increase the diffuse a little. Come to the light settings. Increase that to 1. The light intensity to 1. Shadow intensity to 1. Do another quick render. And now you see, if we do, I'm going to render this real quick. Render it small. Save it to whatever you want. When doing these, you do get a better idea if you actually render it than doing the quick render. Now, I don't know if you can see this here. It's going to be a little pixelated, but you should get the idea. And this is how you make a Menger sponge in JWildfire. Till next time, talk to you later. Bye.